CPA licensure examinations and their induction as members of the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, or PICPA. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the top-notchers of the May 2026 Board Examinations. The 10th placers, Joan Alia Momoy Carilin Diliman from the University of San Jose, Recoletos. Also in 10th place, we have Ivy Ramos Aldave from De La Salle University, Manila. A number of 54 examinees, of which 53 had passed, for a passing percentage of 98.14%. As we call the name of the top-notcher, we would like to request them and their accompanying parent and companion to proceed to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the top-notchers of the May 2026 Board Examinations, starting with the 10th placers with a rating of 89.33%, starting with Joan Alia Mokoy Carilin Diliman from the University of San Jose, Recoletos. The Honorable Thelma Shinugano to present the successful candidates of the May 2026 Licensure Examinations.
The new CBAs to rise. Licensure examinations given by the Professional Regulatory Board of Accountancy. They have completed the requirements as prescribed by the Professional Regulation Commission, and therefore they are entitled to take their oaths as certified public accountants.
And let us witness the oath-taking ceremonies of our new certified public accountants. Everyone, please stand up. Sa mga bagong CPAs, can you raise your right hand and repeat after me? Ako si, banggitin ang pangalan, nang banggitin ang tirahan, ay taimtim na nanunumpa, na itataguyod ko at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas, na ako'y tunay na mananalig at tatalima rito na susundin ko ang mga batas, mga utos na legal at mga atas na ipahayag ng mga sadyang itinagda may kapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas. At kusa kong babalikatin ang pananagutan ito nang walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas. Taimtim pa rin akong nanunumpa na sa lahat ng panahon at puok na kinalalagyan mahigpit akong manghahawakan sa mga etikal at tuntuning professional na mga certified public accountants ng Pilipinas. At matapat kong gagampanan ng buong husay sa abot ng aking makakaya ang mga tungkulin at panagutang iniatang sa isang itinakdang Certified Public Accountant. Kasihan nawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations everyone and welcome to the program.
As a certified public accountant, I shall comply with the following principles of my profession. I shall be straightforward and honest in all my professional and business relationships. I shall not allow bias, conflict of interest, or undue influence of others to override my professional or business judgment. I shall maintain professional knowledge and skill at the level required to ensure that my client or employer receive competent professional services based on current developments in practice, legislation, and techniques. I shall act diligently and in accordance with applicable technical and professional standards. I shall respect the confidentiality of information